The graph shows the function f of x is equal to x squared minus 7x plus 10 for the interval x is between -1 and 8. What is the equation of the axis of symmetry? This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. The axis of symmetry, or the line of symmetry, is the vertical line that passes through the turning point of the curve. From our graph sheet, we can see that the curve turns at this point. The axis of symmetry, or the line of symmetry, will be the vertical line that passes through this point, which is the turning point of the curve. The line of symmetry meets the x-axis at this point. The x-coordinate at this point is 3.5. And so the equation of the line of symmetry is x is equal to 3.5. So we have the equation to be x is equal to 3.5. 3.5 is equal to 7 divided by 2. So x is equal to 3.5 can be written as x is equal to 7 divided by 2. I'll multiply both sides by 2 to remove the fraction. So I'll multiply the left hand side by 2 and the right hand side also by 2. When I do that, you can see that 2 and 2 will cancel each other out. On the left hand side, we will have 2 times x, and 2 times x will give us 2x. On the right hand side, we will have 7. If I send 7 to the left hand side, we are going to have 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. So the equation of the line of symmetry, which is x is equal to 3.5, can also be written as 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. When we look through the options here, we can see that the correct option is C. 2x minus 7 is equal to 0.